Today, we are now really in the what? In the Human Genome Project, right? National, in America, that the National Human Genome Project director is Dr. Colin Francis. And he was so pleased to announce last April that this genome project can be what? Completed 2 years earlier than expected. And you know what he said? Now we can read the book of life. What is book of life? Book of life is genes. See? I'll show you why they call it book of life. Because it is letters. The genes are the letters. That's why they call it book of life. Now we also can read the book of life once only God could read. Isn't that an interesting statement? Yeah. So, only God used to read the book of life. Now we can read it. So, let me show you the picture of the cell now. I have a signal up here. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here, this is cell, picture of the cell. Okay, and this is cell membrane. Cell membrane, and this is nucleus. And this, the red stuff, you call it mitochondria. Okay. What's mitochondria do? Do you know what mitochondria do? Anybody? This is just like an engine for your cars, where the fuel comes in and burns and produce energy. Okay. So we'll talk about mitochondria a little later. And this is nucleus. The genes are in this nucleus. If you open up the nucleus, then there are genes. Okay. Let's get in there. Okay. If you open the nucleus, you can see this kind of thing. Do you know what do you call this? And this is a chromosome. Okay, chromosome. Okay. How many chromosomes we have in our cells? Actually, these are 2 chromosomes in pair. So this side came from daddy, this side came from mommy. Okay, so we have 23 pairs in our human cells. Okay, in those chromosomes we have about 30 to 40,000. Some scientists says 36,000. Some scientists says 40,000 genes, all different genes in this chromosome. So in 23 pairs of the chromosome, we have all these 40,000 genes in there, all different kinds. The genes which determines your color of hair, skin color, your height, whatever. All kinds of genes are stored there. So it is according to the computer, the chromosome can be what? Sort of hard disk, right? So about 23 hard disk is there. And so in this hard disk, all different files, programs are stored there. Okay.